St. James Street in Portsmouth is a luxury student accommodation with an array of cozy studio apartments and plush double occupancy spaces. Built in the theme of high living and sophisticated thinking, the rooms come with the most coddled beds with double-door wardrobes. The kitchens are equipped to rustle up a home-cooked meal, though busybody residents might benefit from the grab-and-go breakfast prepared in-house. This building is a hermitage for students of the University of Portsmouth and Highbury College, as the campuses are close neighbors of the building premises. The public commute is just as easily accessible as private cabs ply through the city's thoroughfare. Students study hard and cool off in style at recreational centers like the Ship Anson, the Ship and Castle, the Bridge Tavern, and the Dockyard pub. Athletic teams of the respective universities are known to break the literal bread over hamburgers at the Feed, which is known to flip the best and juiciest burgers in town. Wagamama adds much-needed diversity to English cuisine with its passionately Asian platter of umami, fragrant delectable. The magic happens in Portsmouth and unveils before St. James Street. Adulting is easy when life offers the amenities of exploration. Live your individuality and book a spot in this embellished escape at amberstudent.com.